Hey guys, we have our city airdrop currently live on CoinMarketCap. So you can see it's on the watch list of about 1,219,425 persons. It's currently ranked at 3,066 on CoinMarketCap, and price is currently up by 36%, guys. So first of all, for the airdrop, you need to add it to your watch list, which is very important. You can also check the price movement. So it's moved from 0.08 to 0.27. You can check for 1 year if it's available, on unless this token was just launched some while back or listed on CoinMarketCap some while back, then the data might not be available. But the market data here is tracked, which is a good thing. So you can also make your own research to know if this token is what, or this NFT RCT NFT airdrop is something you want to invest in. So this is the official website, rct.io. You can check it out. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. It has self-reported tags of metaverse and more. You can check out price estimate and ratings and analysis. So you currently have about 12 days remaining for this airdrop as of recording. To participate in the RCT NFTs airdrop, you get one NFT. So they are currently giving it out to 5,000 winners. So each winner will be getting one NFTs. So it says RCT NFTs airdrop November 20 to 2021 to December 8, 2021. So it ends in 13 days. So how to participate? Say about RCT. RCT is a metaverse game where users compete in racing motorbikes, make new friends, and design their own world. So players will not only participate in a 3D play-to-earn motorcycle racing game, win the game, get rewards, but also can join the metaverse city, interact with other players, and satisfy their creativity. The whole city game is currently playable on desktop browsers, websites, and the next stage on the mobile. So all city PvP tickets is needed for participating in the PvP motorbike race and game. So guys, this is a play to earn game you can check out. There's a blog here post. But on the basics on how to claim this airdrop successfully, add it to your watch list. Make sure your watch list is set at public so you can be easily verified. Then you follow them on Twitter, retweet their pinned posts, tag 3 of your friends, and also comment on their comment section of the post. So guys, all these places says you tag 3 friends, you can tag as much as possible. That's a bonus tip. Tag as much as possible. Could increase your chances of being selected. And also join the Telegram group and the Telegram channel. Then try and be active, guys. Try and be active. Then fill in the airdrop form, leave your Binance chain address, and you're good to go. So guys, one love, peace out, you bye, key. See you in a future upload, and stay safe.